Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a student portfolio using Google Sites. For your kind information, Google Sites is totally free to use, so you can make your website for free. You can also submit it as your university assignment. If you want, you can also add it to your Facebook bio. In this video, I will also show you how you can create a QR code for your website. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, we have to open our Google Chrome browser or any kind of browser you have in your PC, laptop or smartphone. If you are doing this with your phone, then please select the desktop mode first. Search by typing Google Sites in the search box and search. Click on the first link from the below. You will find out many types of templates here, such as professors, class, club, student portfolio, family update portfolio. Since we are going to make a student portfolio for now, so we are going to click on it. At the beginning, here we can see a home page is coming in front of us. You can change your cover photo from here. There are three options: upload, select and text. You can design your home page with those options. If you click on upload, then you can upload any file from your device here, or if you are choosing select from here, then you can directly select any kind of photos from Google. I'm selecting an image from here. Since we are making student portfolio, so I selected an image which is related to books and pen. Now let's welcome our visitors to view the portfolio. From here you can also change the text font. There are many types of fonts that you can choose from. You take what you want. I will take this one. It looks much better now. Enter your site name here. For example, I'm going to type NGO in this. If you have any personal logo, then you can add. For this time, I'm selecting a random logo from Google. You can write something about yourself here. Using this feature, you can also add your formal photos for portfolio. I'm going to resize the picture to make it look better. For a professional view, I'm doing the same thing about introduction here. For example, I wrote here, I'm Nixon Siam, graduated BSc in software engineering. It should be at the very beginning, so I grabbed it and brought it forward. Here you can add more details about your achievement, strengths, goals, skills, etc. etc. Now we will add some new pages for our portfolio. For example, we are going to create a page for hobby. We have to click on this plus icon first, then type the page name here. Here you can see a new page has been opened for us. Very simple. I have a deep passion for exploring new destinations and embarking on thrilling adventures. So I selected a traveling image from Google. About your hobby, write down a short description here. Using the same method, I add my educational qualification here. Currently, I'm a student of Daffodil International University, studies at Software Engineering Department. So I add a picture of my campus building here and write it down. If you want more details to add, then you can use this one. Looks like we have come to the end page now about our contact. In order to add your social links here, you have to click on button, then paste your social links and then press OK, and that's it. When someone press this button from your website, then he can directly in on your Facebook account or any other social media accounts that you give it on the link here. The last phase of our portfolio is adding a frequently asked questions. Here you can add email as always where you are active in. Looks like we have reached the end of today's video adventure, but don't go just yet. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. Also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.